Hi everybody, so I'm making this tutorial because I wasn't gonna, and you guys said you want to see all the tutorials I do at length, and so I'm going to give it to you today. So Guru is, so I'm going to do some hospital nails. So do you mind if I tell them?
No, I don't.
Okay, so Guru is having a surgical procedure, and so I'm not going to be able to see her like normal. And so, okay, I'm using this palette. They're all acrylic paints. There's a dark brown, pink, neon yellow, green, orange, and a gold. I mixed the orange and gold and the green together to make a muted olive. And then I went on each one and put about, let me see, 3 stripes like that, and then I added the leaves. You can find my leaf tutorial in the beginner's nail playlist. But getting back to point. When you go for surgery, you usually have to have clear nails because the doctor will want to take one off so they can monitor your the oxygen in your blood, and some make you take them off, some don't make you take your nails off. So this one doesn't, and so it's just a clear coat so that you can see through everything really well and see that the nails are healthy and strong. And so I am just going to go in with a little bit of little colors here and there, so that they're just kind of peppered through in a wildflowery little summery way. Guru's favorite color is yellow and orange, right? Yep. And so like I'm just gonna make some of her favorite colors here, and throw some little flowers here like they're just on, and then she can be like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and she can manage them herself while she's at home healing. And so these I consider like hospital nails, and I say that very loosely, but when you have your nails painted dark, or if you have them too long, they get in the way, or if you have them too pointed, they scratch you, and you just have to be comfortable during when you have surgery. And so I find that designs like this are really complimentary, and then they make the person feel calm too, because they're just so, you know, just so light and airy, and they're perfect for summer. If this was winter, I would probably do holly on a French pink or something, just something really small and unassuming while she heals. So I didn't want to not tape this because I think it's kind of important. It'll be in the flowers playlist, but I'm gonna write it on the title so that if you guys are having surgery or whatever, you can see it. I'll put surgery nails and you can find me. Okay, so hopefully this helps you, and I will show you the end result. But I'm just gonna go in and just do some little flowers falling like that. It's very, very simple, very easy, very fast, easy to fix if any of them have a hard time. And I'll meet you back. Okay, so while I was off camera, I mixed a little bit of this gold with this yellow, and then I added a little bit of white. So so let's do it again. I'm going to do a few little things here. This, and then a yellow, a little bit of white, and it makes this real beautiful color. I went in and used this color, right? Then I mixed a little bit of the red and a little bit of this purple pink and made this color right here. And then every time I made a new color, I went through and then just did a few boop, boop, boop of each color. So you see a little yellow, a little pink, a little this, a little that, but each one has about 3 or 4 little slashes in each one. And then I take the little piece of red that I really like, that pink red color, and I really like that one, so I'm just adding little bits of pink and red through the whole thing. Now this just ensures that when she opens up her whole work of art on her hands, it all kind of flows together as one design. So it looks like this. And I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew exactly what I did with these colors. And what I did was I made as many colors as possible out of this palette, and then just put a few petals of each one as I did. And we were just talking the whole time. And then I'm going to top coat with a Dazzle Dry top coat, and then I will show you the end result. Okay, so these are kind of hard to film because they're so sheer and so light. There's a little I used Peacefully Me by Dazzle Dry as the base, and then I used some Northern Lights over the top of that, down at the middle to the tip. but going through this, you can kind of see them. These are awesome as far as something that's neutral that blends with everything. And I hope you guys can see these. I might put another top coat just to make them a little bit more lush, but this is just lovely. So anyways, let me zoom in a little bit to you, a little bit close. Okay, so there's that. So as you guys know, if you copy, say, inspired by Robin Moses, and my brush I used lastly was the wand at robinmosesnailart.com. I created and designed them for my tutorials. So I have to say that every time because I get so many questions about this. So I know I sound like a broken record for those of you guys who watch me a lot, but it's important for those who are just finding me. So please be patient and know that I do it from my heart. There, so there's the design. I will have pictures of it on Instagram and stuff when I upload it, and I will see you back with more. Bye. Oh, and happy surgery day, Miss Guru. Love you.
Love you too.